Friends, imagine your portfolio as a complex system with dozens of incoming streams and constantly changing data. Once the number of assets grows beyond 10, Excel spreadsheets quickly turn into a nightmare. My name is Daniel, and today we're taking a closer look at Snowball Analytics. It's more than a simple portfolio tracker. It's an analytical platform designed to help structure and analyze a passive income portfolio. In this walkthrough, we'll see how the platform breaks down complex funds into their underlying components and helps automate the dividend payout calendar. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Folks, before diving deeper, let's briefly clarify what Snowball Analytics actually is. It's an investment portfolio tracking and analytics platform designed to bring all your assets into one structured environment. Instead of switching between broker apps, spreadsheets, and scattered reports, the platform consolidates your investment data into a single dashboard. This makes it easier to see portfolio structure, track performance, and monitor income over time. Mates, it's important to note that Snowball Analytics is not a broker, and it doesn't provide financial advice. The platform focuses on organizing and visualizing portfolio data, so investors can analyze their investments with more clarity and control. Friends, let's start with the dashboard. For a technical investor, the most important thing is always the numbers. Right away, we can see the total portfolio value, which in this example is around $190,000. But the metric that really matters here is the income section. The platform estimates that this portfolio generates a little over $4,500 per year. That translates to a yield of about 2.41%. What Snowball does here is combine data from multiple sources into one interface and build a clear map of your investments in real time. Folks, many investors assume that once they buy an ETF, they are automatically diversified. In reality, different funds often contain the same underlying companies. This creates what's called asset overlap, where multiple positions quietly concentrate exposure in the same stocks. This is where the fund's X-ray tool becomes useful. It works almost like a decompressor for your funds, breaking complex ETF structures down into the underlying stocks. Instead of just seeing the fund ticker, you can understand the real companies inside the portfolio. Guys, that often reveals something interesting. Your actual exposure to a company like Apple might be much higher than it appears at first glance. This kind of transparency helps investors understand which companies are really generating their dividend income. Next, let's move to the planning tools. One of the most practical sections here is the dividend calendar, which you can also find inside the Tools tab. This feature shows upcoming dividend payments in two different formats depending on how you prefer to view the data. Mates, you can switch to a visual grid that spreads payouts across different months, or use a list view that shows them in a structured timeline. In this section, you can see when payments are scheduled, which ones have already been announced, and which are still expected. The system also allows filtering by payout frequency. You can sort assets that pay monthly, quarterly, or annually. This makes it much easier to design a portfolio that generates a consistent cash flow throughout the year. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. You can also see the exact payment dates. That helps a portfolio builder identify empty months and adjust the allocation to create a smoother monthly income stream. Folks, another useful capability is access to up to 10 years of fundamental data. This allows you to run historical analysis and review how companies handled dividend payments during previous market crises. There is also a section called My Goal. Here you can set a target for your portfolio, for example, $1 million or more. Based on the current portfolio dynamics, the system estimates how many years it might take to reach that target. Mates, this creates a structured, mathematical view of long-term financial goals. Instead of guessing, investors can see projections based on their current portfolio performance. It's also important to clarify something here. Snowball Analytics does not provide financial advice, and it does not tell you what to buy or sell. The platform focuses on organizing data, so investors can analyze their portfolios with more clarity and structure. Friends, if you want to stop guessing and start analyzing your portfolio in a more structured way, You can try the platform using the links provided. And remember that investing always involves risk. This video is not financial advice and should be viewed only as a demonstration of the software and its capabilities. Alright friends, let's wrap this up. Snowball Analytics brings your investment data into one structured dashboard, helping you see the full portfolio picture instead of scattered information across multiple apps. The platform focuses on clarity and long-term tracking. Tools like performance analytics, dividend calendars, and funds X-ray make it easier to understand portfolio structure and where income actually comes from. What stands out most is how clearly the data is presented. The dashboards and visual breakdowns make portfolio analysis simpler and easier to explain directly on screen. I personally use this platform and find it useful, but the decision to use it or not is always yours. And just to be clear, I am not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice. Before we finish, quick note: Snowball Analytics will run a 30% sale on all paid plans from March 16th to March 25th. If you want to try it, use my referral link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen. That link gives you access to the discount and also supports the channel. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.